friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you something that I'm doing to promote safety on my street. A couple of things that happen on my street is number one, people speed way too fast on my street, and number two, we don't have a sidewalk and a lot of people walk in the street. And actually number three, there's a hill, so people come speeding up the hill not knowing anyone's there. It's a miracle no one on foot has gotten hit. People's parked cars have gotten hit. So whether it prevents it or not, I figured it would be safe to put up a slow children at play sign. I found one on Facebook Marketplace. It is legal. It's not stolen from anywhere. It was made on headlinesign.com, but I got it for $5 from Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to put it in my yard. Mission accomplished. Even if my sign just reminds one person to slow down, that could potentially save a life, so I feel like it was worth the $5. Have a great day. I hope I gave you a helpful idea for maybe your neighborhood.